The goal of this video is to give you a complete review of Ghost CMS. Ghost is a great alternative to WordPress and Substack to publish online content. Ghost has good SEO, lots of integrations, can be used as a newsletter, is open source, and has native memberships. And I'll start with that. Ghost allows you to create a membership website. And this is a native feature, so you don't have to activate or install anything. You just need to connect your Stripe account and decide the prices. Then members can sign up for free or pay the price you set. Later, you can decide the access level to each post, creating a paywall for your website. And the paywall is effective. I'm saying this because there are tools made to bypass paywalls, and they won't work on Ghost. Ghost locks the content from the server, so disabling JavaScript won't make a difference. I have tested this on my website running Ghost 4.12 and I could not unlock the content. One cool thing about Ghost is sending posts by email when you finish writing, or you can schedule for later. This is possible using Mailgun, but if you use Ghost Pro managed hosting, you don't need to configure anything. You don't even need to create a Mailgun account. And talking about Ghost, I'll leave my affiliate link in the description if you want to check them out. Using Ghost CMS with a managed hosting like Ghost Pro is easy. They take care of all the configuration and maintenance. This includes installation, updates and backups, and can also include a CDN and uptime management. This is important for the speed and security of the website. For me, a crucial aspect of a platform is its search engine optimization. And in Ghost's case, I can tell you they won't ever let you down. How Ghost optimizes for search engines? I'm glad you asked. Let's start with a sitemap, which is generated automatically on Ghost. The sitemap is an index file with all the links on your website, and it's used by search engines to discover all the links on your website. Canonical tags helps search engines avoid indexing duplicate content, so you can set this up on Ghost. Schema markup helps search engines understand the content of the page. By default, Ghost has article schema enabled, but you can change it in the code if you really want. You should use clear URLs for your website, and they should be as short as possible. The URL should help the search engine understand what's the content of the page. For example, if I have mywebsite.com/dogfood, the content on the page should be about food for dogs, not playing with dogs, because it will be bad. There are lots of integrations on Ghost. They are made via APIs. The most popular option is Zapier, but you can use custom integration inside the Ghost dashboard. This allows using Ghost with analytics, e-commerce or writing tools, which can save time by automating repetitive tasks and extend functionalities on Ghost. Another cool thing is Ghost is open source, which means it's free to use, so you only have to pay for hosting the website online. Open source software is more transparent, but because it's free, sometimes it's bad business. But this is not the case on Ghost. They have been around since 2013 and they have been profitable since the crowdfunding. So they aren't expected to go anywhere anytime soon. This brings me to customizations. And one of the advantages of being open source is that you have access to the code to make any change you want. In that regard, Ghost is excellent. Plus, the documentation on their website is very good for this matter. Some popular customizations are themes, modifying the homepage, adding tables of contents automatically, changing the text for the sign-up process. Even if you don't know how to do any of this, it's an advantage because you can have help from someone. This is better than being stuck with a closed source platform that you don't have access to the code and you cannot make changes. I'm looking at you, Substack. Ghost supports multiple languages in the same website. To enable these translations, you need to change the code of the theme. This isn't a straightforward process for everybody, but it's doable. Once again, Ghost has detailed documentation on their website about this. Because Ghost is open source, you can self-host it. But if you want to do it, you have to be comfortable using the command line, as everything is done through it. I'm talking about installation and backups. It's not hard if you are a programmer or comfortable using the command line. But you can run into complications by doing it, and at some point you will, and that's when your knowledge will be tested. The worst part about self-hosting is that you cannot contact tech support to help fix things. Instead, you will have to go to forums or Reddit in search for help. Many times, if you describe the problem well, someone will be able to help you. But you will be leaning in the community and volunteers instead of the Ghost Foundation. So if you're not a developer or someone comfortable using the command line, I will not recommend self-hosting Ghost. As I am not a developer, this is why I use a managed hosting for Ghost. So you can call me biased if you want. Ghost is great for publishing, but if you want WordPress-like flexibility, you're going to have a tough time. So to put it simply, use Ghost if you want to publish articles, send newsletters, or have a podcast website. Ghost isn't built for complex website structures like in WordPress. They never wanted that anyways. Yes, you can build some content hubs using tags, but more than that doesn't seem suitable for Ghost. So focus on publishing and you will be good. Thank you for making it this far in the video. It was a lot of work to put this video together and hope to have helped you understand better what Ghost is good and is not so good to use. So thank you for watching the video and please subscribe to the channel. It will make my day. Thank you.